Hey guys, make a bandana with me for my beautiful bestie Goldie. All you need to make this bandana is some cotton. I'm using Ankara fabric and some lightweight interfacing. You need your machine, of course. And of course, you're going to need a good heat tool. Of course, for me, I grabbed my Oliso iron because it is packed with power. I have the mini and I keep it close by my sewing machine at all times. It's great for pressing out seams. It's great for pressing out, adding your interfacing when you need to do it really quickly. And it's an essential tool to just have in your sewing space. I love to use this iron when I'm making small projects like this because I don't want to have to get up and keep running to my ironing board. But with this close by, I'm able to quickly press out my seams and iron what I need to get ironed quickly. Now, let's press this one more time and let's see what it looks like on the collar and, of course, on the princess. Let's go and check it out. Okay, so all you really need to do at this point is add your collar or some type of ribbon or some type of way to attach it to your dog. And this is my boo, looking cute as usual. She loves to model. It makes me so sick, but she does look cute. So grab you some, make you one, and let's do it today. Talk to you guys later, and I hope you enjoyed this. Bye!